Have you ever been curious of how a camera works? Well, I have been. I have had an old camera that I don't use, so I thought of opening it and taking a look inside. There are 7 screws that hold the camera together. Unscrewed them all and gave it a slight push, and the front of the camera opened. Another 4 screws held the board to the back of the camera. Unscrewed them. The cover of the memory card slot and the battery held the board to the camera, so opened them and the back separated from the board. In the front, we can see the sensor, the viewfinder, a giant capacitor, and the flash. In the back, we have the LCD screen, the control chips, the buttons, etc. So, how this works is that when light hits the camera sensor, it converts the image to electrical signals. Then, it is processed by the chip and give good quality to the image. Then, the photo is saved in the memory card. The giant capacitor in the front is there to help power the flash. So, that's how the camera works. Hope you got something from this video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.